Good morning, boys and girls. What do we say?
Hi.
You're around there somewhere. There you are. Okay, so we're trying to diagnose what's going on with the blower motor. So this is an absolute electrical nightmare. So if we look right there, not there, where is it? Where is it? Right there. That is what we call a vampire clip. Bad. We have open wires right there. Dangling wires over here. And I don't know if you guys can see. There it is. There's another one. They have, which I just found. Come on, come on. Where is it? Where is it? Right? Come on. Okay. Right there. Duct tape on more wires. Which is not supposed to be there. You don't use duct tape ever on a car. Let's see, can I get that in there? Oh, I can. Hold on, hold on. A disconnected light bulb socket, which is hidden behind the heater control ducts. Oh my God. So we're going to have to chase. Let me show you guys under the hood. Ugh. Oop. Let's bring that back. Okay, so they took out the factory harness, which is right here. That's an absolutely pitiful job doing electrical. Ran that black wire up and over. To over here. And ran it in. So now we have to chase that down and figure out what's not connected, what they did disconnect, what they didn't. Oh my God. It's not that hard, people. If you don't know what you're doing, ask for help. Find somebody who knows more.